Okay, okay, guys, how you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and go through some projects with you guys here in the 1B section. We're gonna do some things here. I'm gonna try to get through this pretty quickly. In the beginning, they talk about Windows 10. I hope you guys read about all that. Just give you an idea. Okay, you're gonna look at here. You got some things on here. Mine may be the same, may be different. Just go along with it. We have our user account here. We have our different. Uh, um, my apps list is right here. We have just different things on this side. So it's pretty much the same as the as you would go anywhere else. Let me just share my screen here. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. All right, so over here I got this. Just to give you what I was talking about, here's the app list. Here's different the productivity, explore, just different tiles in here. So you can see Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, just different things in general. Uh, what else we got in here? Okay, if you look at the bottom here, so I only have two things open here on my taskbar, but I have a start menu, I have a search box. Okay, here we have um, the hidden icons, which is right here. Here we have cloud, speaker icon, which is there. And then we have our action center, which is here. Okay, and so forth and so on. Network indicator is here. Microphone's on here. This is the desktop background. Mine's got a little color in it. Here's my recycle bin. Okay. So just to give you guys an idea. So we're gonna pin something here. So I'm gonna go ahead and type in. It's already here. My snipping tool. Okay. So you type in SNIP and a pop up snipping tool. Okay. So I'll bring up my snipping tool. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to pin it. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to um, right click on that and I'm going to pin to the taskbar. So it actually works there. Okay, so when we have to use it, we'll use it later on today. Okay, so now, well, we can find it this way too. So we can put the word snipping, SNIPPING, and that's where you find your snipping tool app. Okay, same as figure 151. As we move along, okay, we're going to go in here and we've already done that. We pinned it. Okay, so now we're going to create, okay, let's say you plug in your jump drive. That would go in here. Well, for me, I'm just going to use my C drive to put everything in. Okay, but normally you guys would use a jump drive or device. You would plug it in, it would populate, so forth and so on. Okay, so now we're going to look at the File Explorer, which is let me just go here. I've already got mine pinned, but you would open it up, okay, and then you would turn around and pin that as well. Okay, so you're fine there. This is your it shows your File Explorer where all your files are, your C drive, and if your USB drive would be here. Okay. As we move on, we can see that I've got it where I have only certain things I'm looking at. If I go to my view, I go to my details plane, I can change it there, navigation plane. I can make smaller icons, extra large icons, tiles. So you can change that to your liking. Okay. So here you got your C drive. We're looking at our views, we're looking at computer, looking at files, how everything, our files are in there. Pretty much on page 56, it breaks down what each one of these are. Okay. So don't worry yourself. You don't have to memorize any of this, but just so you know. So if we go in our C drive, okay, let's see, PC, that's C drive. We're turning around and let's see what we're going to do here. We're going to create a folder in this PC, okay, and we're going to let's just add it to, for now, the desktop. So we're going to go ahead and new folder, and we're going to name it Windows 10 Chapter 1. Excuse me, Chapter 1. And we're going to save that. Okay, so just click on it. Now it's in there. Okay, so now that would normally be in your USB drive or anywhere else. Okay, so as we look at the app list, to go back to close this out, we go to the app list and we're going to look for the word tips. So in the tips, we're going to open it up. Okay, in tips, we're going to want to in tips, we're going to be looking for the scroll box and we're going to be looking for get organized. And we're going to click on get organized. We're going to scroll in here till we find the one that says Snap Apps Side by Side. Okay. As you see that, the tip is Snap Apps Side by Side. What I want you to do is go to your snipping tool, open it up, go hit the click new. We're going to take and copy all this. Okay, like that. And there it is. Okay. So now we're going to once we do that, we're going to take the red pen, okay, and we're going to circle Snap Apps Side by Side. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle, as you can see. I'm not going to worry about that. And it should look like figure 162 on page 63. Okay, then we're going to file, we're going to save as, we're going to go to our chapter 1 file, which is either in our jump drive or in our, let me see if I can find it here. Excuse me, sorry. Chapter 1 file. We're going to rename it. Excuse me, sorry. We're going to change it to a JPEG file, which is right there. We're going to name it your last name, not my last name, but your last name. You're going to go underscore, first name, excuse me, underscore, sorry, 1B, underscore, tip, underscore, snip. And you're going to save it in your document folder. Okay. Then we're going to click save. Okay, we're already saved. Now we're going to X out our tips window and close our window. So when you open up your file, you should have your side-by-side snip. All right, good deal. Now we're going on to the next thing. Okay, so we're going to go into our into Genzabar. We're going to log in. Okay, we're going to log in. We're going to go to my course. We're going to pick up either one of these because they're all the same. And we're going to go into resources. We're going to go into student files. We're going to download that. We're going to download our student files into our Windows 10 Chapter 1 for now. Okay. Once it's done, we're going to open it up in the folder. We're going to extract all. So we're going to extract all, and we're going to put it back into that folder. So we're just going to click extract. Okay, once it's in there, we're going to open up student files. Give it a second. Okay, and in there, we're going to look for.
Who's this? Right behind Grandpa. Right behind you.
So we can go to Word or Excel. Let's see, which one is it in? It might be an intro. No, it's not an intro. Word. No, it's not there. We're gonna need, let's see here. Let's look for Excel. No, it's not there. PowerPoint. No, it's not there. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? No, it's not there. Okay. Well, let's do this. Leave that there inside your jump drive. We're going to go into our OLC portal. We're going to open up our Moodle. Okay, we're going to log in. We're logging in. Okay. We're going to go down here to our course, and we're going to look for the file Office Project 1B, and we're going to click on it. Hold on, back up. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're gonna right click on this, save link as. There we go, and we're gonna put it in our Windows 10 Chapter 1, and then we're gonna right click. We're gonna save link as, and put it back into our. Hold on, cancel. That didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Save link as. Okay, cancel that. Office Project B1. Okay, hold on here. I think we got a little bit of an issue here. Hotel files. Why isn't this working? 1 second, guys. All right, let me change over to student. Maybe that's what I have to do. Makes sense. Okay, then go back into this right here. Go into class assignments. Let me see what's in here. I guess these are it. Honolulu, Santa Barbara. Okay. That was weird. All right. So we'll go back. Go back. Go back as my role. Come back in here. Yeah, here's our files. So we're going to go into our folder here, and let's go back into our folder on, I was reading it wrong. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so right here, we're going to open up, we're going to extract our 011 Bell Orchard. We're going to extract that. Okay, and in there we'll have all the files that we need for that project. Okay, once that's done, we're going to close it and go close our file folder, and then okay, from the File Explorer, let's go back in the File Explorer, Windows 10 Chapter 1 folder. So it's going to be on my desktop. So we'll go up here. Okay. And double click. 1 second here. Double click the PowerPoint. So we go to our student files, student data files, PowerPoint. There's nothing in there. Okay. So we're going to open up PowerPoint. So we'll go up here, go into our apps, click our PowerPoint app, take a shortcut here. All right, we're going to open up a blank presentation. Okay, on the Home tab, we're going to go to Slides Group, which is right here. We're going to go to Layout, which is here. And we'll go Title Only. Okay. All right. And on the Add Title, we're going to call this Tip Snip. Click anywhere on the empty space. Okay. Then we're going to go to the Insert tab. We're going to go to our image group, which is right here. We're going to go to Pictures from this device. And we're going to look for, which it won't be there, because we put it in our 110 file. So we're going to kind of trick it. We're going to go into our, see where to go, Go in our desktop, find our 110 chapter 10, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to add it in. Okay. If necessary, close design idle planes to the right. Necessary, drag the image right to slide to title snip tip. So you're going to go right here, and we're going to use our guides, and that's it. Now it's too big. We're going to drop that, make it smaller by dragging that down, and use our guides. There we go. Okay. So then we're going to save on our quick access toolbar, and we're going to save this file. Let's see here. We'll save this file as last name underscore first name underscore 1B underscore tip underscore snip. Okay. And we're going to, oops, snip. Sorry about that. Okay, we're going to save it back where our folder was in our computer, or if it's our jump drive, that's where we want to save it. Okay, so now our PowerPoint has its title and it's saved. Everybody good? All right. So now we save it. We're going to minimize our PowerPoint. It says to minimize it, so we're going to minimize it. So now we're going to using Snap in Task View. So we're going to go here, and when you use Snap, you're in 2 or more open windows on your screen, so you can work with the multiple screens at the same time. Snap with the mouse by dragging the title bar across the top of the window that displays the program file or app name. Okay, snap the keyboard by selecting windows you want to snap by pressing the Windows key and the arrow key on your keyboard. Okay, and then select another window by pressing the other way. Example, keyboard shortcut, combination of 2 more keyboard key to perform the task would otherwise require a mouse. Okay, from your desktop, we're going to go select app. We're going to go to letter A. And in here, we're going to A to W. So under W, we're going to go all the way down to W. A lot of us should have this. We have weather. So we're going to click on weather. We're going to click on weather. Okay, so then we're going to adjust it. We're going to look for Eagle Butte or anywhere else. Eagle Butte. You can personalize it for yourself. Okay, there it is. And then we're going to go back to the start menu, and we're going to look for calculator. So we're going to go to C, we're going to calculator. Okay, there's our calculator. All right. So now we have both of those in place. I'm point to the word calculator. At the top of the app, hold down your left mouse button, drag it to the left edge of your screen until the outline display shows whether the windows will snap. Okay, so we go here, I'm going to snap it. All right, and then we're going to go to our window here, and we're going to snap it. Oops, wrong way. There we go. So we got these 2 together, and I got them backwards. So let's do that again. Hit the Windows key, left arrow, then your calculator, there, just like that. Okay. So right now we have them both snapped in, as you can see. All right, and we're going to go to the task view. Where's my task view? Let's see, where's my task view? Here. Task view, hamburger. Nope, that's not what I want. I'll close that out. Okay. Task manager, toolbars, no. Okay, I don't see it in here. Let's type in task view. No, task view. No. Task view. Preview results right here. All right. 1 second here. One second. There it is. Show the task view button. Okay. So when we go to task view, we're going to click on that. As you can see here, we have the task view button. We have our calculator and our timeline is now.
What?
Everything that's open is on here. Okay. So now from the task view, your PowerPoint. Okay. Click on your PowerPoint. Go to your slides group. Home tab, slides group, new slide. Okay. And we're going to type in side by side. Side by side. And then we're going to go back over to now touch button space, split button. Okay, so we'll go back over here. We're gonna do this again. Windows snap. Calculator. Windows snap. No, let's see. Windows snap. Okay, wrong way. Back over that way and that way. Okay. So let's see. Windows snap. And then Windows snap. Nope, wrong way. Do it again. All right, back over. Back over to screen. Okay, so that one's first. That one's first. And then, whoops, calculator. All right, 1 second here.
Yeah.
Give me a second here. Okay, so we're gonna go here. All right, we're gonna slide, second side by side. In your clipboard group, where's our clipboard? Is our clipboard group? Okay. The upper portion, click paste button. Okay, wrong one. All right, I didn't take the right screenshot. Okay, go back. So I didn't do a screenshot. So let's go do a screenshot real quick. We're going to snap these two together.
Yeah, I am.
Okay, snap, there we go. And snap that one. Okay, so now screenshot. Let's do a screenshot real quick. We're gonna hold down our Windows key and we're gonna do our print screen. It'll dim, okay, so now we got that. So we'll go back into our PowerPoint, okay, and we're going to right click and we're going to paste. There it is. So we're gonna paste that. We're gonna make it smaller so it fits into our project here. Side by side. There we go. Okay. So that's what that looks like. Now we're gonna save it. Quick save. Okay, we're gonna minimize this PowerPoint. We're gonna close out our window. We're gonna close our weather and our calculator. Okay, so now we're going to open up our File Explorer. All right, open our File Explorer, and we look at our quick access list. Okay, we got this PC, which I don't have it set up that way, but it is this PC right here, this PC. Then you have, let's see if I can do the, let's see, we got, no, not, no. Minimize, okay, we're good. All right, so this is basically it. All right, so we're looking at navigation of the computer. And then we go, if we go to documents, which I have a few in there, it shows the name of the document. It shows the column header, okay? It will show your navigation plane here. Your buttons go forward and backwards, okay? Your address bar is right here. Your ribbon is here. This is what we call your ribbon, okay? And of course, your search box. All right, so now we're gonna go back to this PC, and you got pointer going everywhere, okay? We're gonna go to our double, well, we know where that's at. That's in our desktop. We're gonna go into our one folder, which we did, chapter 1 folder, okay? In there, we're going to click on our new folder here, like that. Okay. And once we already extracted, so I'm already there. Okay. So we have subfolders within our folders. So we're going to click on Orlando first. Okay. In Orlando, we have accounting, engineering, food, beverage, human resources, operations, and sales and marketing. Okay, we're in Orlando. Now, as you can see this, if you arrow over, you can see that these are all in there. Okay, this is part of the Orlando folder. All right, so now arrow over again. Let's see if I can do this here. Orlando. Okay. Back to this PC. All right, so we're gonna go back and we look at Honolulu. It displays the same thing. Okay. Now click on sales and marketing. As you can see, it has, we're going to change this view tab to layout group right here. And we're going to go to details. So they want it in details. Okay. And compare your figure at 17.3. Yep, we're good. So then we go back one more time. And we file the list of human resources. In the file list, click on one-time PowerPoint HO new employee presentation. Excuse me. Okay. Once we're there, all right, in the view tab, Panes group. Where's our Panes group? Panes. Details. Panes group. In our Panes group, hold on. Okay. In our view tab. Shh, quiet guys. we're gonna look at, okay, missing here something. Paynes Group. Human resources. Oh, okay. We weren't supposed to open it up. That makes sense. All right. So in here, in our Paynes Group, we're gonna go detailed planes. Okay. So that shows welcome, Go series. Okay. Gives us all the information. Microsoft presentation. Okay. Add a tag. So we're gonna tag here. We're gonna type in new employee meeting. New employee meeting and click save. Make sure we got that right. Okay. Save. And then we're going to preview plane and compare it with figure 1.75, which is right here, which looks good. Okay. Item check boxes, they want it checked. Okay, so there we go. Just double checking to make sure we got everything right. Details, Honolulu. Okay. So you can see how that works. Okay. Click on preview plane again. All right. And then close human resources. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is activity 131. We're going to go to start menu. We're going to look for WordPad. WordPad. Do you even have WordPad in here? Okay, let's see, search type word. Type in the word WordPad. So we're going to type in the word WordPad. Okay, we're going to open it up. All right. And once we open it up, we're going to put in our first name, last name. We're going to take a screenshot. Okay, so we're going to hold down our Windows key and hit print screen. Okay. We're going to open up our current PowerPoint presentation. We're going to go to our home button, to our slides, new slide. Okay, title only. In here, we're going to type in WordPad. Okay. And then we're going to click on that. We're gonna hit right click and paste our WordPad in there. Kind of make it a little bit smaller. There's our WordPad. Now, understand that I had a bunch of stuff in there, but that's okay. It's just because it took a screenshot of it. Okay. So let me see if we can change that. Let me go back. I know what I got to do here. Okay, so we're going to go back into our WordPad. We're going to screenshot under available window. Okay, so we're going to let's minimize that. Let's take this one out. There's our WordPad. That's our document WordPad. Okay, so we got this one right here. So now we're going to screenshot it. in the image group, so we'll go to image group, home, editing, where is it at? One second here. Insert tab. Insert tab. No. All right, let's try this again. Close that out. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, we'll go back in and type in WordPad. WordPad. We're going to open it up. First name, last name.
Why do you hang it over there, you badass? I said hang it over on this side.
Last name. I can't even spell. AELCORWITT. Okay. And then from the taskbar, open your PowerPoint presentation. Okay. New slide, type in WordPad. We did that. Okay. Click anywhere in the lower part of the solution. Okay. Insert tab. Here we go. Screenshot, available window. And there it is. And we're going to bring that down a little bit so it doesn't get overlapped. Okay, here we got our WordPad. We have our WordPad set up and we should be good to go. All right, so let me just check here. Share my screen. Let's see, right here, share. Okay, so we're in WordPad. We got all that done, and we're good to go on that. Okay, so the next thing they want to do is and save this. Click save so you don't lose your document, and minimize it. Okay, opening data files. They want us to. Okay. Okay, so let me go back and get this going here. So we're gonna share screen again. We're gonna go with, let's see. We'll go with the document. Okay. All right. So this is your WordPad. Okay, we'll get out of there. Stop sharing. Okay. Let me set up my next project here. They're telling us that they want us to open up Word. So we go down to Word. We open it up. Okay, in Word, we're going to go into File. All right, so in here, normally it would probably be blank. Let me go ahead and share real quick my screen. Okay, we're going to go in here. This is our Word document. Okay, so in here we got our Word document, and we're going to look at and see you have your blank document. You have your different templates, okay, and then some of the folders that you would use in that sense. All right, so they're just showing us how to do that, and we're just looking at how that opens up. Okay, so now we're gonna close that. All right. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my file explorer again, and I'm going to share the screen under File Explorer. All right, so we're in File Explorer. We'll close our WordPad out. Save. Okay, so in here we're going to open up our file again in desktop. We're going to be opening up our chapter 1. We're going to open up our Windows Orchard Bell. And we're going to see our files that are in there. So they want us to go with large icons. So we're going to view in large icons. Okay. And let's see, what else they want us to do? Okay. Live preview features indicates each folder additional subfolders. You have all that in there. So in the preview plane, you'll see that we have plenty different things on there. So change all file types back to, okay, so get my glasses on. Sorry about that. Okay, in the file list, notice that only one document is a Word document. So they want us to, let's see where we're going here. More options. Okay. More options. They want us to view large icons. Okay. So that's where that is. Okay, navigation plane. Navigation plane. Show libraries. No, that's not what I want. There we go. That's what I wanted. Okay. So we're there. We're good. All right. So now once we get in here, file type, in the file list, okay. Notice that only one document is a Word document. Oh, I have to open it up first. Hold on. I want us to open corporate. So we're going to open corporate. Okay. And we're going to open the accounting folder. Okay. And then in the file list, notice that only one is a Word document. Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay. So click on quiet. All right. Let me see if I can unshare my screen for a second here. Stop sharing. Because I have to set this up where you guys can see the entire. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we're going to go in here. We're going to open up our Windows. Everybody can see it. I wanted to make it a little bit easier. Everybody see Orchard Bell, corporate, accounting. Okay, so that's where we are on that. All right, so now we're going to, let's just move this down here so I can do my work here. Move that down there. I want that. Close that out. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to view details or list. Okay. All right, so we'll go back into the large icons. We're large icons. More options arrow. Okay. Details. So there's all kinds of stuff in here. Okay. So we got all files. Okay. We got all files. Bring that up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so all right, everything looks good. Okay, all right. So change the file back to all Word documents. Double click on the shareholders. Double click and open the Word document. Okay, so we'll open it up. We scroll through the document if we want. Just you guys can see it there. Okay, that's all that is. And they want us to minimize, maximize the window if you need to, and then close it out. Okay, so they were just showing us that. Okay, then the start. We're gonna hit the start button. We're gonna go to search for .txt. Okay, .txt. Click filters. So that's Word app.
What?
Okay. Okay, so documents. All right. TXT. Structure TXT. All right. And future hotels. So let's see if that's in there. So back into a COC report. Open that up. Okay, close window. Okay, so then they want us to go into here. They want us to type TXT, structure TXT. Yep, that's it. Okay, in there, this opens a Windows 10 desktop, and you notice that it's the information that's in there, and then close the notepad. That's all they're doing there. Not much there. Okay, now from your taskbar, go to File Explorer. Okay, go to File Explorer. What the heck is it? I got too many things open here. Close that. Close that. Okay, File Explorer. Okay, then they want us to go into our file that we have, which is Windows Chapter 1 folder. On the upper right-hand corner here, they want us to find the word pool and search. Okay, in here you will see we have a whole bunch of pool things in here. All right, so file that contains the word pool and title display is searching folder hard drive for OneDrive. Files that contain the word pool and within a document additionally search tools display on the ribbon. So you got additional search tools here. Okay, in the search box, clear the search by clicking X. Close search. Okay, double click on your Windows Double Bell Orchard. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. On the Home tab. All right. And the clipboard group. Okay. pin to quick access. Okay. And then compare it to figure 183. So now, if we look at our quick access, where's our quick access at? Quick access setup. Our Windows Chapter 1 is there. Okay. Or Bell Orchard as well. Okay, so once we do that, we pin access. So if we go to our quick access, it will notice that we have our Orchard file, our Windows Chapter 1, and our Orchard file is there. Okay, so now in the file list, double click on corporate and click on engineering. On the view tab, okay, you want to go to the current view group. Sorry about that. Okay. So in the current group, we're going to group by type. As you can see that we compare it and it goes into the different types. Okay. Now click on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Point to the column heading. Type. And go click on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. You can see how it filters it. Okay. And then close file Window Explorer. All right. So now we're going to create, rename, copy files and folders. Okay, close open windows, but leave your PowerPoint presentation minimized, which we did. From File Explorer, we're going to go into this PC. So we're going to type in this PC. We're going to open it up. Okay. So we're in there. And we're going to open up our Windows 10 folder again, Chapter 1. And we're going to our file list. We're going to open that up. And we're going to go to Orchard. Okay. One Bell Orchard, we did. Okay. And let's see, back up one. We're going to go One Bell Orchard. We're going to, on the Home tab. Okay, on the Home tab, we're going to, let's see, the address bar. What are we doing here? Okay, so it's showing us how to navigate. So in here, we're going to do that. Double click on your documents. Okay. Okay, so they want us to, hold on, I see what you're doing. They want us to right click. Or in the Home tab, they want us to copy. So we're going to copy. Okay. All right, we're going to copy. And then we're going to go up 2 times. 1, 2. In our documents file. we're going to paste. So it ends up going in our documents file down there, okay? And then we're going to close the documents file. That was easy. Okay, so now we're going to go to our File Explorer. We're going to File Explorer right here. In our file list, we're going to click on our documents. Okay. And we're going to double click on our, let's see, date modified. So we go up as far as we can. Documents, let's find that file that we just did. Where's our orchard file? Where's our orchard file? All right, now I gotta look for it. Orchard. There it is, Bell Orchard. Then we also go to corporate. Double click on information technology. Okay. And then future hotels. Okay. Okay. Order by name. So we're going to click on this. Order by name. So we are. Architects first. Okay. On the ribbon, go to View tab. Layout group right here. Details is selected. Okay. Details are selected. And their common properties. Okay. On the ribbon Home tab. On the new group. Click on New Folder. Within the new folder, type in Paris.
Buster, where you at? And
click Enter.
No. You guys have to share it.
Click on New Folder again. And type in Venice. And click Enter again. And click on New Folder again. And click on and type in London. London. And click Enter. Okay. In Windows, File 10 list folders are listed first uploaded or followed by individuals in alphabetical order. Okay, click on the Venice folder one time. In the Organize group, hold on, back up. Okay. So at the Home tab, Organize group, we're going to click on Rename, and we're going to type in Rome. Okay. And that will take care of that one. All right. So now we're going to Word File Architects. No, I don't want to open it. I want to rename it. Okay. And we're going to call it _local. And press Enter. Okay, so we're going to check that out. We're going to see that it matches up everything like we have on figure 1-86. Okay. All right, so then they want us to open up our PowerPoint presentation. And they want us to go to the Home tab, new slide, title only layout. Okay, click anywhere on the title and type in Europe folders. Europe folders. Okay. And then in the insert tab, we want to take a screenshot of available image, which is that one right there. I'm just going to make it smaller so it fits. Real nice and pretty there. A little more over like that. Europe filters. And let's see. They want us to go here and type in 5. So we're going to do that. 5 makes it perfect. Okay. On the quick access toolbar, we're going to click save. We're going to minimize the PowerPoint and close our future hotels. All right. Copy files. Okay. We're going to go back into our Windows 10 folder. We're going to go to our Orchard folder. We're going to go into our corporate folder. We're going to go into our information technology folder. We'll go to future hotels. And we're going to make sure it's maximized, which it is maximized. Okay. On the view tab, make sure its layout is details. It is. Okay. On the current view group, we want to make size all columns to fit. All right. Okay. On the list files, click on File Staffing Plan. On the clipboard, oops, sorry. Close that out. We want to open it. We want to copy. So on the Home tab, we want to copy. Okay. Then we got to, okay, then we got a top. Okay, so what we got to do now? On the hotels, here it's, 1 second here. At the top of the, double click on the London folder. Okay, so future hotels, information technology, future hotels. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. There's a one in documents that we're supposed to do this. My bad. So the one that we fixed. All right, so let's look for it. Where to go, 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 where to go. Right there. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, corporate, information technology, future. Okay, make sure that we can staffing plan, copy it, and then in our London folder, where's our London folder? Where's our London folder? Am I on the right one? Corporate information technology, future. Did I miss a folder here, guys? London folder. 1 second, guys. Let me back up here real quick. London, Paris, and Rome. Oh, this is supposed to be London. Okay. Rename London. Yours shouldn't be that way. Mine did. I guess it didn't save it. All right. In your London, you're going to go ahead and right click, paste, and staffing plan goes in there. Okay, then change the staffing plan, rename it. So click on it, rename it. Rename London, London underscore staffing plan. On the edge, click enter. Oh, I must have left it open. Whoops. Okay, try again. All right, so now that's there. So now we're going to arrow up. Arrow move up one level, structure to redisplay file list for future hotels. Okay, we did.
What?
Click staffing plan, file,
What? Nothing.
style,
Aren't you tired?
control.
Hold up, are you tired?
No.
We're going to control C, our staffing plan,
Can you bring that dog food in here?
and we're going to go to our Paris folder.
Is that Tiara's jacket by the trash? Mustard.
We're going to let's see. We can do control V. So control V will add staffing in there. And we type in rename it. We're going to rename. And we're going to call this Paris underscore staffing plan. Move up one level. Okay. We're going to do Rome. So we're going to do the same thing. Control C. We're going to go to Rome. And we're going to control V. And we're going to rename. And this one's going to be called Rome. Rome underscore staffing plan. Okay. We're going to click back up to futures. We're there. All right. We're going to, let's see. Future hotel window or click upward one level. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, when you move a file forward, remove original location, store new one location in this activity, you move future hotels folder to appropriate folders. So with future hotel folder open, okay, they want us to click on the Excel financials for London. Just click on it. Doesn't have to open, sorry. Just highlight it. Mine does that all the time. So now we're going to move files. So on the home tab, we're going to cut. We're going to cut it. So we're going to cut Francis London. Double click on the London folder. Open it. And in the clipboard paste. Oops. Don't want to do that. In the paste, we're going to paste it there. Financials London. Okay. Go back to future hotels. We'll do the Paris financials. And we're going to cut. We're going to Paris. And paste. And finally, click up once, they said. Okay. On the loans, London. Loans, London. We're going to hit the control button. and they want us to go marketing London. So we have 2 selected. Okay. So they want us to now drag upward to London. Okay, we're in the London file. Okay, well, you have that. They want us to take the architects and move it into London. Okay. In an empty area, right click through undo move, leave future windows open for the next activity. So they want us to do what now? Undo move. All right, so we're gonna undo move. Undo move. Undo move. All right. So copying, moving file to snapping 2 windows. Okay, on the upper right hand, restore windows to previous size. Use the restore down command to resize previous size. Hold down the Windows key and side arrow. Okay. Then they want us to open up the file explorer. They want us to go into corporate, human resources. Hold on, back up. Okay, then they want us to go into file folder. 1 second here. All right, we'll go here. Go into our Windows system file folder. Okay. Then they want us to open up corporate. So we'll go back into our here, corporate, human resources. All right. And then they want us to snap it together. So this is where we snap our items. Oops. Let me see if I can make this big enough to move down over. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so compare the screens. They look good. With your left window double clicked, open the Rome. All right. Hold down your control. Hold down your control and drag it down into let's see. Hold down, drag it. Okay, at the left of the edge bar, click Future Child redisplay the folder, open the Paris folder, and right click. Okay, so they want us to go into Human Resources. I want to click that there. Then they want us to left window of the address bar. Go into Paris staffing plan and drag it into Rome. Okay, no, not that. I'm sorry, back up. Copy and paste. I think Paris is the same way. Let me double check sure if I did the right one in Rome. No, we gotta take Rome back. The place destination. Okay, so we'll go copy and paste. Okay. And okay, so now they want us to close that one, open that one. Okay, so now they want us to go in and open up our PowerPoint presentation. Click a new slide, title only, type staffing plan files. Okay, click on that. And then they want us to go to the insert tab, screenshot, available window. Then they want us to go into, okay, screen clipping. All right, let's see here. Click screen clipping. Screen clipping, where's screen clipping? Okay, go back one. All right, so insert, screenshot, screen clipping. All right. So they want us to drag upper left corner and hold down, drag to include the taskbar. So okay, so they want us to start at the upper right-hand corner. And do it like that. Then release the mouse button. Okay. They want us to type in 5 here. 5. And drag it down just a little bit. There we are. Okay. So now you're going to file. Of course, you're going to save. Okay, so here you're going to file. Save a copy. We're going to put it in our okay, hold on, back up, sorry. It wants us to save it and close it. Okay. And close all windows. Okay, so now, excuse me. So now they want us to go in here. They want us to open up our Office B1 project. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna switch to role as a student. Okay. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click on that. I'm going to add a submission. So I'm going to look for my file, my PowerPoint. Okay, we'll look for my PowerPoint in here somewhere. Let's see if it's in chapter 1. Tip snip. I think that's it right there, isn't it, guys? Yes. No, that's not it. Orchard Bell. Where did I save it at? Oh boy. Oh boy. I have to find it now. Where did I save it? Okay, let me find it here. I think this is it. Let me make sure, because I remember what I called it. Okay, so we're going to go into here. Let's go into our file explorer just to make sure we got the right one. Excuse me. We'll make sure we got the right one. Okay, let me open this up, see if that's it. Yep, that's the right one. All right, so I'm going to go into my file, choose my file. I'm going to go back and find it. I'm in my hotel, chapter 1. There's my snip tip. Okay, I'm going to save as, let's see, what are we saving this as? I'm going to save this as week 2. Oh, I can't spell week. Week 2 assignment. Assignment. Let's learn how to spell, Mike. Okay. Upload this file. Save changes. And there it is. Submitted. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. I know it's a little bit long, but you want to make sure that you get all those parts corrected and uploaded in Moodle. Thank you guys. Have a good evening. Goodbye.